Oh, I thought you were going like
Fucked up.
Planets?
Yeah.
Purple?
Yeah.
You
and
see
yellow. And yellow.
Purple and yellow planets.
And then brown like lines. That are in the planet.
Here's the planet blue.
And some have rings.
Why are you guys laughing? You guys suck.
And moons.
A moon?
Yeah. The moons, they're like black though. So they
Why?
like-
So how can you see them?
They're invisible.
Oh, I thought you said they were black.
They are.
But they're invisible.
Nuh-uh.
Who gives a fuck? We're gonna get in trouble. I don't even give a fuck. My dad's gonna fucking send me rehab and shit.
That's sad.
What the
Mom's
fuck's
just
rehab?
gonna send me to San Diego to live with Diana.
That's even worse.
What?
And she'll find out I did drugs.
No, Auntie said that.
Where'd you get that at?
My name is
Um,
Betty. See it?
I was gonna buy it up.
Well, so you have to
Yeah.
sit in the front.
Yeah, you have to, Rolito.
Are my eyes red still or no?
And you guys, am I really stoned?
Yeah, you're really stoned.
Yeah.
She's
This
coming
feels
in.
like, I'm telling you, I'm like a balloon.
Just kidding.
Mario,
Imagine.
like, I don't know, it's crazy to describe it. Like, I'm here, like, I see you guys and stuff, but I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know. Like, I'm seeing behind
Hey,
my eyes.
what's 12 times 12?
I was gonna say 84. It had a 4 in it, but no.
AM. 144.
Oh.
That's your bomb, huh? See?
No.
What's 2 plus 2? Got tripping out.
It was my stuff that
That's
did
it. What's 2 plus 2?
No, because it was 3 different types of weed, like Bin Laden weed, like hydro, light green, and Bobby Brown. Create Bin Laden weed.
That's there. What's 2 plus 2?
100. 100. 10 times 10 is not 90.
9 times 10. That's Tope.
There's Cassidy.
Oh.
Right behind you.
Alright,
Jesus.
someone tell a joke.
Oh, I'm going to hell.
Knock, knock.
I'm not.
Who's there?
Interrupting Cal.
Interrupting Cal.
That was stupid.
Hey, how
Did you get that?
Is this yours?
No wonder she voted for
I
Obama.
don't know. I'm just drinking.
Well,
You
I
gotta
got a
vote
joke
for
for you. I
Obama
got a
too.
joke.
Stupid, fuck Obama.
Your mom was so
Fuck
stupid,
Obama.
she tried to pants a black guy.
Fuck him.
What?
Your mom was so stupid, she tried to pants a black guy.
I don't
That
get
racist, Rolito.
it. I didn't get it
I'm
though.
gonna.
I'm gonna send you to jail.
His pants already down.
Oh, what about your mom was so fat when she jumped she
getting
got
head or
stuck?
something?
What?
Are you recording?
Why?
I don't know. Like, I feel like I'm in a spacesuit now.
You are.
I don't have no gravity. Like,
You do have very something for that.
like I'm floating.
You are floating.
Are you guys floating?
Esther, take me with you.
You're
You should have smoked more, or
They didn't let me.
Hell no.
Oh yeah.
you should have smoked more.
Smorked more. I should have smorked more.
Alright, fine then. Who's ready for round 6?
Junior
Junior talks like a white surfer boy.
Alright.
Who's ready for game 6?
Alright, okay, hold on. Alright.
I can mind the bad luck now.
Stupid Junior.
I talk normal. What the fuck? I'm talking normal. Oh my. Dad said he's gonna send me to rehab.
What would mom do to me like though?
She would like smack you silly or something.
I heard her back.
My mom wouldn't trust me for nothing. I don't give a fuck.
Crucify you. Put you on the cross and everything.
I don't care.
Mario, what are you doing? Playing peekaboo.
She's gonna show up right at 10, huh? Fuck. He's probably gonna spend night at your guys' house.
What are you doing? Mario fingers himself all the time.
I'll take this.
Well, give me a drink.